Hey, it's Arie here, back again with video number 3, day 3 in the Jumpstart to Freedom series. Very excited to, of course, keep this going. Days 1 and 2 went by really good, and I'm just super pumped to, of course, continue keeping into this momentum and that type of stuff. So, yeah, I'm not going to waste any time, and I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to take a look at today's agenda. All right, so here I am in my Todoist app. One habit that I recently picked up, actually, that I did this, about like a year or two ago, but I recently started doing this again. Is there's this audio here called "The Strangest Secret" by Earl Nightingale. I'm not sure if you've heard this before, but if you have not heard this before and you're looking to achieve anything long term, I highly recommend looking this up. You could find it like on YouTube. It's like this 30-minute audio that pretty much sums up like how to really achieve anything that you want to achieve long term. And it's a really powerful audio. I've started listening to this pretty much every morning and night since I've started this new video challenge, and I find that it's helping me quite a lot, right? So I'll go ahead and check this off because I just listened to this about a couple minutes ago. Begin filming for the day. I'm doing that right now. And of course, right now I'm going to journal in my thing right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do this real quick. All right, so I just finished journaling for this morning, and what I want to do in this video, or pretty much mainly for today's video, is I want to talk about my first primary objective that I'm going to aim for to, of course, really ramp up my results with this specific business, right? So one kind of thing that I've I guess like bad habit that I've kind of had is I haven't been, I guess I'll be honest here, I haven't been too consistent as it pertains to getting consistent traffic and leads coming in. Of course, I was doing YouTube quite often for, many years, and that helped me, of course, get a consistent flow of leads. But the problem with YouTube is that leads and sales are they tend to be a bit more sporadic with YouTube. So just recently, I decided to start adding more traffic sources in here to, of course, increase my lead flow, right? So as of right now, I had some kind of like ups and downs. Like like a couple weeks ago, I was getting like 30 leads, 100 leads one day, then, back down to 20, then like 50, and then, so it's kind of, currently at like a point where I'm aiming to get like a consistent, flow of leads. And I think for me, a really great starting point would be anywhere from 30 to 50 leads, I think would be really good, right? So currently right now, like 18, 6, 11, 7. So it's okay, like it adds up. But of course, getting more leads, of course, will help quite a lot, right? So anyways, yeah, I want to go ahead and kind of show this right here, right? So currently, as of right now, I have 2 orders of traffic running with Traffic Authority. And so these are both paid ads that I have running that I started, like, I want to say, like a month or 2 ago. So yeah, I have these running right here. And after these run out, I'll get into the habit of setting a weekly paid budget. So you'll of course see that in a future video of mine. And so as of right now, the main thing that I really want to double down on is doing TikTok, right? So TikTok and YouTube both worked very well for me for, of course, getting sales. And TikTok in particular is really great for building a following very quickly, right? So I started this profile like a month ago, and within my first month of starting this, I already have almost 2,000 followers on this specific platform right here, right? So it's been quite interesting to, of course, see the fast growth. I think within my first week, I had like 1,000 followers, which I thought was pretty insane. But yeah, anyways, yeah. So I've been making videos pretty consistently on here, and most of them are getting around, looks like 200 to 300 views on average, some 400, and some in like, the thousands, as you could see right here. Made 120 while eating Taco Bell. That was a interesting video. Yeah, so anyways, what I want to do pretty much in this video for the most part is I'm just going to be focusing on coming up with ideas for TikTok videos and simply just writing them down in my notes right here, right? So there's a couple different people that I follow on here. One is Krista Greener, so she's also promoting the same program that I'm in, and she started this like a couple months ago and already built a following of almost 200,000 followers, which I think is pretty insane, right? But she's been super consistent on here, and with each of her videos, she's getting like a couple thousand views on average. I noticed yesterday I visited her profile just for some ideas, and she had this video that she posted like not even a full day ago that already has like not even a full day ago, that already has like almost 1 million views, which is just insane. So yeah, it looks like she's definitely doing something right here, and so yeah, I'll definitely going to be taking some ideas from her videos. Another uh, another one that I follow on here is by the name of Rita, and so I'm friends with Rita on here, and she also promotes the same program. She got 25,000 followers within a couple months, and she's doing very well. She's been very consistent with TikTok, and so I get a lot of video ideas from her videos. And of course, one of the member is Gary Allen right here, which this guy's really funny in his videos. I like his videos a lot. He's really funny. But yeah, so I'm gonna go through here. I'm gonna go through, get some ideas, and simply just kind of jot them down. So see you in a bit, and I'll see if I see kind of what I can come up with. So anyways, yeah, see you in a bit. All right, so I just spent the last, couple minutes actually just, taking some notes here and simply coming up with ideas or video topics or kind of like things to say in the first few seconds of a video. And for me personally, like one thing that I've learned with TikTok is, and this is all like kind of the same with pretty much every single platform like YouTube and if you're doing Facebook videos, it's all about watch time, right? So the first kind of step is, of course, having a really great hook in the beginning that will get people to want to watch your video, and of course, also depending on like your energy, the background you have, and a lot of different factors that go into it is kind of what determines if someone will, of course, watch your video all the way through. And for those people that watch your video all the way through, depending on how you give the call to action, how you present it, will kind of have an impact on how people will go from that video to, of course, either commenting how, info, or perhaps visiting the link in bio, right? So what I'll do for the rest of the today is I'm going to make some TikTok videos. I'll simply get them simply made, and then what I'll do is I will show some some of the videos that I have, of course, posted throughout today, right? So anyways, I'm gonna trying to keep each of these videos as short as possible, and so this way I can, of course, cram as much in as possible throughout the day. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna make some TikTok videos, really take lots of action on these ideas, and I will see you in a bit. Take care. Hey, how's it going? It's Arie here, back with an update. So I made a bunch of TikTok videos earlier today. I made I think I want to say 5 of them. And so I ended up posting about, I want to say 4 of them actually earlier today. And usually I post around I usually try to post 5 videos per day, but for some reason I posted 4 of them. I got around to posting another one. But it's funny thing is I actually was looking in my on my TikTok profile, on my phone. I had 30 videos in my draft apparently that I made over the span of a couple days, and I didn't realize I built up so many. But I guess when you get in the habit, you kind of build up a lot of them fast. But so I guess I made 2 of them where I responded to comments right here, and then 2 of them were I would play these, but I have music kind of playing in the background, which I could possibly get copyrighted for. So for that reason, I probably won't play any of them, but I can kind of have it on mute right here, and I'll simply kind of play it like this, right? So I kind of talk about let's face it, working the 9 to 5 sucks, and talk about this type of stuff. I notice with with these videos right here, I notice I get with a lot of these recent ones, I get under 100 usually within my first 24 hours, and after a day or so, then it kind of jumps up to 200 or 300 or something like that. And so I noticed with TikTok actually, I used to be getting a lot more leads with this, not too long ago, actually, a couple weeks ago. And so recently the leads kind of started to die down. So what I'm intending to do probably in the next few days, and I kind of thought about this more after I made videos for today. I was kind of thinking about it a bit later. I'm like, well, I should probably focus more on getting engagement up so that, if I can get people to, of course, like the video, comment, share the video, do those types of things. TikTok is, of course, going to show my videos to more people. And, of course, the more views I get equals the more leads. The more leads, of course, equals more sales. So I actually did this in the past with older videos, and I noticed that when I did this, I got a lot more views on specific videos, which then, of course, led to me getting a ton of leads in that specific day, right? So, for example, this one in particular, went quite viral, actually, over 5,000 views, or somewhat viral, I guess you could say, not ultra viral, but I was getting tons of comments on this video, for example, and this this led to me getting tons of leads kind of around this time, right? So I'll probably be going back to this type of formula right here. You might even see me implement this in tomorrow's video, or maybe like sometime with the next few days, and I will kind of show you my results as I go along, right? So you're seeing my results right here in terms of like, view count. In terms of sales, I haven't had any in the past like 2 days, I believe. I think the last sale I had was about like 3 days ago. That was when I had $20, and then like the $100 commission that I showed earlier in this. But I think that pretty much kind of wraps up for today's video. And probably what I'll do is I will go back in my Todoist app, and I will start planning out for tomorrow, right? So I'm gonna spend some time on journaling. I'll listen to The Stranger's Secret. I'll get some rest, and I'll simply pick this back up with video number 4, where I will do some other things on on this. Probably more TikTok related stuff, and maybe something along the lines of putting together my new email follow-up series. So really excited for that. But anyways, thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you got value here, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and take care.